nung pumasok itong si Anton Raga for the Mavericks rather.
2026 na.
Yes.
Okay. Sa magkabilaan or pwedeng same pocket.
So, Ariana Galve, of course, watching, supporting.
Happy viewing.
Norman Macalalad Urmaneta, pa-shoutout daw sa Balayan, Batangas naman.
Labanan ng dalawang heavyweights natin sa ating team standings, MSW Mavericks and the Negros Occidental Pillars. Parang nga, no? Actually, naisip ko rin yun.
If Taguig and QC will let them, to end our regular season, tigda dalawang series na lang natitira. For Makati, isa na nga lang.
Team standings natin, eto na, 2 bola na lang para kay Anton.
And talking about the team standings, mamaya may hihimayin din tayo dyan sa ating team standings after this rack.
There you have it, guys. Another 9-ball down for the MSW Mavericks.